You know this feeling probably, right? When you just open the YouTube Studio app and you see again 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and like fucking 30 views. What's going on, bro? What is up? The more you think and you try to analyze stuff, the actually worse your channel will perform. And let me explain. Let me explain because this is really, really important. If you are starting with type B channels, or if you are even like a veteran, or you consider yourself a veteran and you were just lucky. Because to me, like a person who has just one successful type B channel does not mean nothing. If you really like know your ways, you should be able to repeat it every single time. Not every single time, because there are niches that are inaccessible to you. Actually, I'm gonna say it because of the saturation. Yes, that's totally correct. You can not enter a niche because it's too saturated, but overall, the market, the type beat market, is not. So mostly this is a skill issue, and if you want to succeed, you just have to try and try and try and try again. You need to be dumb to succeed in type beat. Let me explain why. Going every day, this is like the basics, you know? Going every day on YouTube Studio will just sabotage your results. Why? Not because there is like some secret setting that we don't know of, that going and refreshing YouTube Studio will actually make your beats perform worse. No, because you will get in your head, and firstly you will work less, and you will just check like a zombie and then see like, okay, my views are now lower, so I will have to change the title now. No, bro. No, absolutely, entirely incorrect. So just a disclaimer, I made a community where I discuss all that stuff, plus the gym, plus the girls, which is I think most important if you are a young producer and you just want to have fun with life, or like want to have girls like this on my wall. And just feel good, look good, bro, make music and just live life. Go check it out. This is the first link in the description. But why I'm talking about this? There I break down in like a really autistic specific detail on how I grow my type beat channels, what is like my approach, because actually the most important thing is what you are not doing, like in everything in life. It is not about some secret tactic. This is about not doing stuff that is not needed. Because if you change stuff again and again and again and again, like your viewer is simple. Maybe they are your fan, but mostly they are just people who are looking for the same type of beat. Because like, get in the head of the artist. You heard some like pretty neat song from, I don't know, 23, and you want to make a song like that, and you're looking for beats, right? So you type in 23 type beat, and you see your channel. And you see first beat, which is like very nice. Okay, like you play this beat. Okay, you go next. Okay, next one. Okay, and now you see like fucking Deftones type beat. And what? Like Deftones type beat, but I was looking for a 23 type beat. And you see like Swappa plus Crank type beat. Maybe there is like a music passionate who likes those type of beats. Okay, but mostly people are looking for the same type of beat, and artists are morons. Like I'm not gonna be mean with that. Like I don't want to offend artists. I'm not hating on my customers, but they are fucking dumb. They are pretty fucking dumb, and they can, like, you have in the description like 5 times inserted the link to your like page, how to buy, direct link to purchase the beat, like saying buy 2 get 1 free, and they will still post a comment how to purchase. So you need to adapt this certain mindset, because this is like really specific business. And if you say that, okay, I don't want to make the same beat every single day, so don't do with type beats, pussy. Do something else. But I can guarantee you, in each and every business you find, not even like in music, but you will have to do the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So it doesn't matter. If you are not built for this, okay, lose your chance, bro. That's not my problem. I'm here to teach those who want to learn something. So first step is actually stop fucking going to YouTube Studio. It's forbidden for you. From now, it's delete this app. And if you are starting, if you don't really know what you're doing, just try to don't change a lot. like I mean it. If you also join my community, I do the reviews of the channel, like I give a free review of your channel. You can ask for advice other people as well. Basically, you will get a feel for it with time. But if you are like really beginner, the first couple channels, like maybe that's your first channel even, try to don't change a lot. Like try to stick to one keyword. Don't change the tags, don't change the description, like try to spend a lot of time finding the really similar photos, like try to make the beats sounding really similar to what you're making. And I can guarantee you, this is actually the strategy I blew up the like my biggest channel, which has the video with 400k. I actually stuck with one keyword from the start. No changes, Young Nadi X Lucky type beat. The same fucking pictures with cars and like this modern trap vibe. And I wasn't like going places with the keywords. I wasn't like changing my thumbnails. I wasn't like the beats were really simple. And it worked because this like ADHD mindset won't help you with that. So I want you to just remember that. The key in type beats, the key in succeeding in type beats is consistency. And not just the consistency with uploading, but your uploads have to also be consistent. You have to be mindful when you are uploading, and you are not allowed, because the algorithm, the YouTube will punish you, because people won't watch your videos. They are in, don't feel like you're some grand musician or something. This is just your type beat channel, okay? You want to do other music? Do it for SoundCloud, do it for Spotify, and fuck off, bro. If you want to make a type beat channel, make it a type beat channel and nothing else. Don't post their videos. Don't post live streams. I see so many producers making the same mistake over and over again. I did the same mistake. I posted loop kits on my main channel. This is why it's dead right now. My main channel with 4k subs. For the love of God, post just type beats and only type beats. And be done with it. Don't think too much. This is everything from me today. Hope you learned something. Join my community. The first link in the description. Bye bye.